What are we doing today?
We are driving around safely in the car, wearing masks, and enjoying some now melted halo halo from Petit Pesto. It's delicious, very delicious.
Yes, I agree.
Can show some pictures later.
Yeah, some pictures later. What I liked about it was that it's like sweet but not too sweet. So then like I was telling Eddie, as soon as I was done, I was like, I could literally have another one. Because like usually when things are too sweet, you're like, you know, I'm good. But like this was like refreshing. And
right.
It's like so good. Because it's like getting a lot hotter now, and yeah, it was really yummy.
It's like you want to get another one.
I do. I do want another one.
So we're going to enjoy the rest of our day, going along the coast and enjoying what we can while still being safe
and yeah, isolated and 6 feet apart and
except for us, we're not 6 feet apart.
No, but it's fine. We've been in quarantine together since March, so yeah. Missed this view. The ocean. Ocean. Wow. I miss the ocean. Oh, it says no stopping anytime, but everybody's stopping here. It's okay right here. We fit in. We fit right in where like the parking is okay. I'm just gonna sit here to enjoy our food because we wanted to see the ocean. Yeah. The ocean. Smells so good. The salt. Behind us. On PCH. What just happened?
So as soon as I start talking, Steph, you turn off the camera. How many times I'm trying to say, so we're island people, right? It makes sense for us to be drawn to the ocean.
Literally every time I try to do a video about the ocean, right when he says, what was it? We're island people, right?
We're island people.
I like happen to be turning off the camera. It's funny.
Well, you know, still capturing the moments, appreciating each and every day. Living life, enjoying what it is. Here's the ocean. Wow. Closer. Ooh. Hey, Steph. What are you looking at? Steph?
I'm watching them.
Oh, watching them? Oh, there are people there. Oh, saying like, hurry up, go. Wow. There aren't a lot of people here, which is great. So definitely social distancing. You can look down here at this rock. You can see how high the waves get from the splash here. Here it comes. There it goes. Like that. And then, boom! Wow! Why, hello there, lone seagull! Mine. Yes? Hey! Oh no, the seagull left! Bye, seagull. Oh, there! There's the seagull. Bye! Safe travels! Oh, look! It's lifeguard. Family down there. 2 friends chopping it up. Seeing a lot of people Over there though is really wild. Right here. This is where it gets intense. Only imagine going down this path here, walking, and you encounter those waves like that, like boom. Here it wasn't so bad. Here, it gets rough. Depending on the wave though, it can get really high. Let's see. I feel like the next one will probably be big. It's a waiting game. Patience. Here we go. Okay, here it comes. Here it comes. Oh! Wow! Nature. Wait.
Nature.
Here, wait. Again.
Why?
Do it.
Why? Are you zoomed in?
Yeah, zoomed in all the way.
How dare you? Why are you doing that?
It feels so nice. And I can still see.
I can't believe you can still see.
Also, because of this one, for some reason it doesn't stay on my face. It keeps sliding off. So I think the best way for me to really use it is to put it all the way up here.
Oh my gosh.
Or like this.
But it's fine for me.
There you go.
It doesn't slide off for me.
Can I show you?
Okay.
Alright, here, look. Oh, this way. Yeah, for you, it's snugly fit. But for me, it keeps going down. I don't know why. Feels good though.
I like it.
Thanks for getting these for us.
I don't know. I saw people online wearing them and I was like, oh, what are those? I like it because it's more, I don't know, it's like soft.
And you can breathe more. It's silky.
Pretty breathable.
Silky smooth. See how it looks like.
This is my glasses.
I think it looks cool because you have glasses on. Yeah.
What was that? Heard a honk.
Yeah, someone blowing a honk. Blowing a horn. I was a little kid.
Oh.
I was a little kid. The ocean. I don't think I'll ever get tired of a view like this. Hey. Ending the day here on the beach.
I'm laughing because we woke up at like 2 o'clock. Like, ending the day. We've only been awake for like 4 hours.
Starting and ending our day here at the beach.
Starting?
Because we just woke up.
I don't know. What are you talking about?
Okay. Enjoying the views here at the beach. Much needed and necessary relax time. Getting that self-care in. Again, we will forever be Island people.
I knew it. I knew that's what you were gonna say. Island people. So relaxing out here. Okay, bye-bye.
See you later. On to the next. Isang Bagsak.